Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to video call on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To do this, you want to go ahead and swipe up and you want to search for the contacts app on your phone. You will have maybe two contacts on your phone. You want to use the blue and white one to open up your contacts. Now, once you open up the contacts, if you open it for the first time, you may have a pop-up like you're seeing on my screen here to basically, send notification. You can allow it. It's not mandatory. So you can just go ahead and just do it as you see I'm doing right here. No, the important thing here is that you want to go ahead and find anyone in your phone that you want to call that, let's say, have an Android. So if I want to call, for example, Adam, I can go ahead and I can tap on his name. Once I do that, I will see the option for video. And as you can see right here, it shows call, message, video. I can tap on video, and you can see below this as well that it shows, for example, the mobile, and it also shows the video call. So you can easily tap on that to video call someone. I want to show you something else as well. Let's say you just want to go ahead and find a contact from your call. So you can click on the phone icon right there, and you can scroll down and find whosoever you have in your phone. This person, they don't have to necessarily have a Samsung phone. They can have an iPhone as well. You can find them, you can tap on them, and right under here, you will also see, for example, whichever app they have. For example, in this case, this person, I can only video call them with the Google Meet, and I can just go ahead and tap on that. And in that case, I'll be able to create the meeting link. You can also video call people on your phone. Like, for example, if you have WhatsApp, you can go ahead and you can open up WhatsApp and you can video call as well. So these are some very simple ways that you can go ahead and have a video call on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and it doesn't matter what phone they have. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.